What does a train sound like?
Choo-choo.
Yeah, okay, that's accurate. What does a chicken sound like?
Cockle-doodle-doo.
You sure?
Yep.
Cockle-doodle?
Yep.
What do I sound like?
An idiot.
Do we just sit here forever? Well, kinda, unless Bebo shows up. What the hell's Bebo? Guys, look! Bebo! No! Ah! Oh, bye, Jim!
Ah, shit. Got flour on my cat.
Hi there!
Uh-oh.
What a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry.
Oh, you're such a handsome young man. Can you give us a big smile? Oh.
Why is it spicy?
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Well,
Why?
Cannot control me. You cannot. Okay. You can have a little control, but I'm still in charge. I can attack any minute, but you can control for like a second. Oh, that's nice. That's really awesome.
What is the dog doing? What is that?
baby, where's mommy? Where is she? Oh my god, where is mommy? Oh my god, where's mommy? Oh my god. Oh my god, baby, where's mommy? Where is she? Oh my god. Oh my god, baby. Find her. Right now. Find her, sniff her out. Get her. Where is she? Oh my god. Find her, baby. Find her. Baby, you must find her. Oh my god. Where is mommy? Where's mommy? Where is she? Oh my god. Where's mommy? Oh my god. Where is she? Oh my god. Baby, where's mommy? Oh my god. Where the fuck is mommy at? Oh my god. Get off the couch, baby. Where's mommy? Fine, she's on the table. Come on, where's she? I
Something we do not talk about enough is whenever a cat is trying to catch a bug and their owner is helping them and the cat like completely understands the assignment.
If you had 24 hours with me and I couldn't say no, what would we do?
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs?
This is awkward. No,
你别笑。要做一个专业的演员吗？
J'ai rien fait.
Yeah, she do nails. I need to get my nails did.
That's it. I'm calling the police.
I ain't scared no popo. Call the popo, ho. Call the popo, ho.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold on. Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
So my cat's favorite person in the entire world is my roommate John, and my roommate John wakes up a lot later than me and my other roommate, and Alien does not like that, and this is what he does every morning.
That is the best.
Are you comfortable?
Does he want out, I wonder?
Well, there's a heating pad under it, so I guess he's warm.
Oh, that's what he's doing. Could that be what you heard last night? Wait, but isn't it like kind of better that he sleeps in there instead of in the litter box?
What the fuck are you doing? Oh, now you want to get out. Nope.
Do we know his lineage at all?
Stupidity.
I know.
Why do you look like... What's wrong? You have this weird... Oh... What? Now what? You were just outside. What did you pick up outside now? Wait, what are you doing? Hold on, Harper. You can't run away. Let's get up here. Come on. I was just walking by and I look at you and you have this guilt. Now, come on. Listen. It's late. I want to go to bed and I don't want you having anything in your mouth. I can see something sticking out. What is it? I'm afraid to look, to be honest. Let me see. Well, come on. Harper. Oh, it's hard, whatever it is. Come on. That's it. Where is it? Come on. Ouch. Oh, ouch. Let go. Let go. A rock? A rock. This is an all-time low for you. Seriously.